Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss about the first chapter called the periodic table. See, in school, we are using class timetable. What is use of class timetable? Timetable will give you a clear idea which period, which subject will be taught, and the name of the teacher will be given to you. Things are very clear. Subjects are classified, teachers are arranged, things are crystal clear there. So, there is a main property of a table. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about another table called a periodic table. So, periodic table is an arrangement of elements in vertical columns called the groups and horizontal rows called the periods. What is mean by vertical columns? Vertical columns are just like this, going down. Vertical columns. In chemistry, we call it groups, and horizontal rows means it goes like this. Horizontal rows. In chemistry, we call this arrangement, we call it periods. So, periodic table is a tabular arrangement. Tabular, that means a table like arrangement in which what is placed there, elements are placed. Where it is placed? In groups. Groups means like this, and it is placed in rows also. Rows means like this. So this is how elements are arranged in a periodic table. This kind of a tabular arrangement of elements is called a periodic table. Now let us see why we need to classify elements like this. See, in class also, if you observe class carefully, you may see that boys are sitting on one side and girls are sitting on the other side, and school has not given any clear information to sit separately, boys and girls, but you automatically sit separately. Why you sit separately? Simple logic, the physical properties are entirely different, so that is why you automatically sit separately. At home also we have a common tendency, there's a natural tendency, we keep different things in different place. For example, clothes we keep on an almara, books we may keep in a shelf, and shoes and other things you may keep on a stand. You're not going to keep books and shoes together. So this is our common tendency, natural tendency to keep things in different place, because those things are of different use. The same way, elements are placed in different groups because their properties are different. That is why they need to be classified. Simple logic. Different elements has got different properties, so they have to be kept in a different place. I think it's clear for you. Now, about the scientist. Henry Moseley is the scientist who put forwarded this periodic table. Henry Moseley is a scientist. See, in class 9 we have discussed about different kinds of classification, early classifications. Three scientists' names were given there. The first one was Dobrenius law of triads. The second one was Newland's law of octaves, and third one was Mendeleev's periodic table. In all those three cases, elements were arranged based on the atomic mass. But see the difference. In modern periodic table, modern periodic law is given here. Just see here. Modern periodic law states that physical and chemical properties of all elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Look at here, the main point is here, atomic number. This modern periodic table is based on atomic number. Whether it is a physical property means external property, external appearance. Just you take an example of your friend also. He may be tall, fat, fair. These are, we commonly say, these are physical properties, external properties. And chemical properties, just you take the example of again your friend, how he behaves, his nature, how he talks with others, how he interacts with others. These are chemical properties. If you take the case of element, the external appearance, for example, gold, the physical appearance means its color, its look. All these are called a physical appearance. Whereas chemical properties, how this gold is going to react with other elements. So, whether a physical property or a chemical property, elements are mainly follow atomic number. All these things are taking place based on atomic number. I think it is somewhat clear for you. Once again, let me tell you, periodic table is a table-like arrangement. It's a table-like arrangement in which elements are placed in vertical columns as well as in horizontal rows called periods. And scientist behind this classification is Henry Moseley. And elements are placed in different groups because of their different properties. And here is modern periodic law. Modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of all elements are periodic function of their atomic number. You need to by heart this definition. Thank you, children.